Welcome back, YouTubers. In this video we're gonna do an introduction to KiCad, and I'm using a traffic layer as an example. Time codes will be provided in the description below for specific topics that you might be interested in, and also at the end of the video will be links to other advanced topics that you might be interested in KiCad. So be sure to check out. It will be there, or there. So all around at the end of the video. So with further ado, let's get into it. So KiCad, what's KiCad? KiCad here, the one I'm using, this is version 5.1.10, and give a shout out to all these people that make this amazing software for building electronics. So that's that. And now let's start from scratch. They hit an icon like this. Double click on the icon KiCad. Now let's go file, new project. So this is the way I keep it, my files, and I add go right. Save. Okay, so in this window you have two files. The one that says PCB and SCH, which stands for schematic. PCB stands for printed circuit board. So the one that we need right now is first you do the schematic entry. So that will be on this file. So let's double click on that. I put the highlighter here, and so here, that's on this window. What you're looking at is once you created a project. So again, new project, you give it a name, and then you end up with this. So that's what I call. Okay, so now we are, so you get two files, the printed PCB and SCH. PCB stands for printed circuit board, SCH stands for schematic. So first we're going to do the schematic entry, and then here, this one, this piece of software, it's called Eeschema. So, and it's built in within the software, so you don't have to go back and forth. Now, quick tip here, sometimes you go back and forth between the schematic and the PCB. The layout is also called layout. That's where you put your components in. So to switch between the applications, you click this button here, and that will bring the other piece of the software. It's two pieces. This is PCB new, see? Okay, and then to go back, okay. All right, the other way to get to there is within project. Double click here and let's enter our components. So we need, so here you click this symbol here, place symbol. Click on the window, and this, the libraries, it's native libraries from KiCad. So when you do the installation, you get all these different libraries. You might not get this one, the DK, because that's another, I believe I got that from Mouser or DigiKey. I think it's DigiKey, that's right, it has the DigiKey. So here we are going to look for resistors. So you type here resistor, and then it will give you a list. They have this type and this type. So I'm going to use the R small USB, R small USA, I'm sorry. So let's see if I can expand this window a little bit. Okay, here we go. Resistor US unit. They have the other type. Use that in Europe. Usually we use that one with the wiggle lines here. That's bigger. So let's use that small. Okay. Oh, while it's in your, there you go. You wrap it. So we're gonna put it, another one. Type in the search bar. There. Click OK. Then you can drop it while it's there. You can use the shortcut R for rotate. It rotates. Okay, so we're gonna need that. And now M is for move, R for rotate, list of hotkeys, or Control F1, you can do it too. So here's all the predefined keys. Okay, so now I'm gonna usually when I'm duplicating the component, what I usually do is you can either double click, change the value, or you can do E. So we're gonna put a 330 ohm. Let's put a full 40. Ohm. Okay. E 40. Okay. Then to copy the component, you can do C. That will copy the component. Delete the component. You click delete. Delete. To edit the component, E. Now here, the reference we put the value, and usually this one is you have to assign footprints. So you can either so at this point you can add the footprint. So add footprint, then look for resistors. You can do a search here. So then here you can, once you get there, you put resistors. So and there are different types of resistors. You have surface mount resistors, which is this type, and there's different sizes. You got 0201, 0603. So the unit in the middle is the US system, 0805 Imperial system, and the one over here next to it is the metric system. So that's metric, and this is Imperial, the US. So let's expand a little bit more. You can see, so we're gonna use a 805 hand solder. So you have normal hand solder. Hand solder gives you, the pad is a little bit bigger. So use that, then you click OK. Double click, and you say OK. And again, so we see, okay, the footprint, this reference value or reference designator, it will be assigned automatically, but you can do it by hand too. So now we copy, C for copy, okay, and now look at the component. It has the footprint already. We assigned it. But now we need 3 LEDs. Click here. So we're placing the components. E. Get this. There's different types. In our case, we're just gonna use here. Have all different kinds. Depends on what you're using. So you use a single LED individuals and click OK and rotate. Rotate. Gonna give some space and then we're gonna E, and we're gonna say the value of this one is the red LED. We are going to assign the footprint. So P LED, SMD is for surface mount device, EHT is through hole. Just to show you an example, that's through hole. SMD looks like that. Door 805 looks like that. So let's do through hole 3mm. Looks like that. This is another type, clear. So they have all these different ones. So clear or this one. Let me do it 3mm. They have a 5mm too, bigger one. So in our case, we're gonna use 3mm. Then double click that. That comes up there. Say OK. Then the mouse on top of the component and hit C for copy. C for copy. Okay, so move. Further down. Okay, space. Let's place it again. The last one, the last one, I'm not gonna put a footprint because I want to prove a point to you. So this here had recently used components. Okay. There. E. So and I'm not going to assign a footprint because I'm going to show you other way of doing the footprint. So leave it at that for now. This one, E, this is going to be hello. Okay, and so I'm gonna click ground here. So you can click the plus sign and look for ground. They have analog, digital ground. So these are different symbols. So the one we're going to use is this one. Be consistent in the ground that you use, otherwise it looks like a different net. Okay. So copy that, or copy, okay, and we are going to put okay, so we have right, so I think we're ready for the next step. So we place the components, we arrange them, and then for wiring the components, you go here, there's the tooltip, place wire. Then you get there, put points together. Means with the wheel, mouse, rolling the wheel, the mouse. You could see better. Okay. Okay. So, I'm gonna put a line from there to there. Okay. You can put place a net label. So here we can put in, and I put the red 13 because the way we're gonna control those lines are So we put red 13 as label. So the 13 tells me that that's going to be connected to the Arduino in 13. So here, put it in. Wait, so let me extend because G is for drag. You select the line and you drag it. M is for move, bring it down, put it right in the line. It's a little bigger. G for drag to make it in the line. Drag it. Let's make another label. Yellow. So 12 be connected to 12. Pin 12 in the Arduino. And pin, we will get there. Don't worry, we'll be there. Okay. Okay. So when you don't, so this side, so I think that's it. And so that's it. So then you hit save. Okay, so that's the first part. And now we are going to annotate the schematic. So you click this symbol and by default is use first number, be after first, free after sheet number. That's if you're using multiple sheets, you're doing multiple schematics, you pick that one. So then you hit annotate. Close. Then you see every one, D1, R2, D2, R3, D3. Okay, that's annotate. Next, annotate. Here, assign footprints. If you remember, we assign at the component level, but this also is another way. So remember the green, we didn't assign a footprint. So this one has footprint, this one has footprint, this one, but this one doesn't. So we look for LED, through hole, and then look over here, we put a 3. So let's do say 5 on the green, just to to space it up a little bit. Then you hit OK. Now if we go here, now that one has a footprint. Okay. So we place our components, annotate, assign footprints. To do the electrical root checker. Check it out. And it's saying no connection, flag to suppress this error. And now we can go here and look at it. Suppose we have a problem here. It's connected. So what you do to get rid of the error, here and power and flag flag. Okay, place that out and okay, so this we are going to use, put another one in here, and I see it's a connector on. No. Okay. Edit. We're gonna say R read. Find the footprint. Look on their connectors here. Look on their connectors. We're gonna use a pin header. One horizontal, vertical. That's two, etc. The one I'm going to use is individual. Here. Like that one. Say OK. And copy. Copy. And move. And for move, okay, go edit, by yellow, E for green. Annotate again. Now we have G1, G2, G3. Save it. Check if we got rid of the errors. And with the TRC, run, no errors, finish. Close, save it. So now once we enter all our components to the TRC, we generate the netlist. This button, generate netlist, generate netlist, generate netlist, save. Now we click PCB, gonna load the netlist. Update PCB, close. Yeah. Okay. So as you can see, we have the 5mm screen. So and sometimes you don't know how you wire. So go back here, select the component, so R1, red, go back, arrange this, so select the component, one, move. Those lines are called board ratnest. If you click this button, it's going to take that away. I leave it on because it's easier to see how the connections made. Then it tells you, see, it's like flip and say rotate. And now it kind of tells you. Now this one. Oh. So say cross or say rotate. Okay. Then move it. Check. And for move, rotate. Let M move this. Also, the component has the net name, say yellow 12, and the other one is automatically generated by KiCad. Okay. You see that's flipped again. That's cross. Oh, kind of there. You follow pretty much what you put in the schematic. So we had the connector, and we call the net the line yellow 12, so yellow 12 goes to yellow 12. This line we didn't give a label. Look at here, we didn't give a net name. You don't have to do every net, you know, you do the ones that are important, like connected to a connector or something like that. But I guess you could put if you wanted to. So then with the resistor, it goes to the LED, and back, move, rotate, rotate. Okay. Here, so we place our components. Now let's go through let's save it, and let's place a track. So here it gives you this track 984 mils, and it gives you a default via 3115. Okay, so let's more the list. So you can hit edit predefined sizes, and then here we're gonna add to 20. Okay, we're gonna add to 15 mils and 20 mils. Say okay. Then I'm gonna have on this list 3. So let's use the default one for the first one. There you go. Now let's use second one. And let's use the third one. So as you can see, it's different thickness. Right? And so now this point we have a via. When you're out of via, it goes through bottom layer. We're not doing anything there, so we'll hit escape. Okay, that's the default via. So now let's create, edit, predefine vias. Add here. I'm gonna create a 40. 40. 20. Another one. 24. So that's the drilling size. And okay. So now we go here. Take this via. Take this. Size of the wire. Okay. So the blue is for the bottom layer. You don't want to go on the blue. You're going to be on top. So select that. That's FQ on copper. BU bottom copper. These are your layers here. These are your tools. Selection. Footprints. Tracks. BS. Add fill zones. Add keypad areas. Graphic line. Add a graphic circle. Add graphic arc. Add graphic polygon. Text. Add a dimension. Add alignment layer target. And here is your grid. Display rectangle coordinates, units and inches, millimeters. Show fill area zone. Do not show fill areas. Show outlines. The outline would be something like that. Show paths. Show BSE outlet mode. Show tracking outlet mode. What it does. High contract display mode. That's what it does. Go in hide layers. Go in hide microwave toolbar, expand to future. Let's say then on top here you have your file, edit, view, place. You can also go through here to get that menu that's on the right. Single track, you can get through here too. You can do your measure, design rule checker, tools, ratnest. So you have those menus coming from there. Here is your board setup. So your board setup, that's your layers. This is a 2-layer board. If you want a 4, you select 4 here. If you're doing a 2, that's the text, that's the different size of the text. This is the default. But you can change it. Usually here, I keep it at 7, everything. 7 here, 7 here, and the thickness I usually do 7, and cross this down rules. Net classes, that's the default. You can add your net class here if you want. That's the window track and BS. It's predefined sizes. Data mass, here's where you put your clearance. Usually this you get from the board house. Park, PCB way, they have relative close numbers that you install here. So right now I'm not, we have to look and see what the number is. I think this is 2 and this is 4 for Park. I'm not sure, I gotta double check, but so I believe that's what it is, but let's put 2 and 4 for now. Say okay, that's for Park. Gotta double check. So then you save, and so that's pretty much the, and here is go back to schematic, and there's other scripts, and they have snap EDA script installed, so that's why you might not see those in yours. This is advanced stuff. But it's a good setup. You can, so I use Sysmac to get components into KiCad modified. I have another video on that. You can check at the end of the video. They have other videos related to topic. I believe I have one that tells you how to bring components, schematic symbols, and footprints using snap EDA. So check that out at the end. Okay, so we're not done yet here. So we still have, let's use 15 minutes for the other one. Then we hit the shortcut B. place a via, shape, and check the other track, different size tracks, shape. We want to be on the top. Be here. There you go. Say you're not happy with this, you highlight and put the mouse on top of the line, say delete, deletes it. Let me select this via size, that track. Okay, so now we're going to wire that up. V for via, shape. Okay. So as you can see, there are different sizes there. Okay. Now to see the details of the via, do E, like via, then down your predefined size, that's the one I'm using. So is the diameter is 40, that's the copper, and the drill size is 20, that's the hole. Okay. Okay, so now we are going to do the board outline. Let's save this now. So we can do view, so this is showing the entire size of the board. Okay, let's close that up. Now let's do the outline, and so we select the edge cut layer, add graphic line. Oh. I'm just making a shape just to show you that you can see here. When you get like that double circle, see here, like there. Okay. And now our board, it should look like that. So now let's save it, view it. Okay, we made. Okay, Now let's add the copper pour, or it's calling this software they call add fill zones, or copper calling other softwares. So do that. So let's click here. Cancel. First, we gotta be in the right layer. Copper. I'm gonna put copper on the copper layer. The top. Now select the tool. Click there. Which net are you gonna fill it up? I'm gonna fill it up with brown. Okay. Get the square shape. Close zone outline. Now you can make it nicer, I guess. Now let's go at the bottom. Bottom layer selected. Brown. The net that we want is brown. Say OK. There's other settings here. This is a default. You can change those if you need. Let's leave the defaults for now. Say OK. That's advanced topics. So we are covering the basics here. And zone outline. So that's the top, the bottom. And now let's look at this. I believe we use, for the first one, we used the 10, 15, and 20 second. So that's 15. Here. So that's the 15 size of the wire. That's the 20. So you're not happy with the size. So here, do not show fill areas. You click this one. Show it, you click this one. Not show it, you click this one. And let's say we are gonna define another track. Say I'm gonna use 25. With 30, and let's do a 40, and let's add a 50. Okay, and delete this one. That. Yeah. So now we are going to use a 40 track. Show you how it looks like. So it's wider. So too wide. Like that too. So now you can look at sometimes you get like double lines hitting, so this will allow you to check that out, and you might see like double lines or something like that. So okay, that's another setting that's very here. You go to router, interactive router settings. I like to be in shop mode, and the shop mode, I don't want to jump, so I like collision shop mode. Okay, shop mode I. Okay, and they I'm gonna delete this, delete this, delete this, this, delete this, delete. See how it leaves something behind, so delete, delete that, delete that, that. So move. Let's move up here. Rotate. Move. Rotate. And move. Rotate. Okay. So I guess I didn't have enough space. I just wanted to show you okay, so gonna move all this select all. Here. So do it like that. For now, I just want to show you something here. 30. Let's finish tracing, and the reason I move is to show you the shop. Here. 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 So now look at this. That's what the shop does. Pushes the line. Okay. That's what it does. Pushes the line away. Okay, that doesn't look good. Right? So you won't do something like that. I was just showing you a point there. Okay. So now, let's say you're not happy with all this. Alright. Delete. Delete. So, say I want to get rid of all the traces at one time. Go here. Row deletion. Tracks. I don't want to delete the B's. Then say OK. Okay. Yes. Go. Oh. Oh. Let's do it again. Here. To here. Here. Draw the point here. Leave it too big. Here, here, here. Okay, let's save it. And now let's view it. And you see here it says I'm able to find segment with endpoint, but it cannot determine the board outline. Okay, that's because it's open. We need to close it. Okay. So how do we close it at this point? So first of all, the line size 7, okay. Okay. Click on the settings. edge cuts. This one I want it to be 15. Okay. So now let's delete the line. We have to okay. Now the rest of the lines. E inside in A E in A E thickness in A E C E in A and E 50 even size 15. Okay, this one is here E in another piece here E in A E okay. All right. Save it. View. That's how it's looking. And close that up. Go to view. Here. So we have J1, J2, J3. So D, we don't know which one's the red, yellow, the green. We don't know that, so we gotta put the screens. So now it's not showing everything. So B. And now it's 4. So B to report. To hide it, that's to show it. Okay, so we got these sharp corners. There we go on it. A graphic line. Make it this round. Here. Okay, so now and delete that one. You can drag this line here, that. Highlight this line and pull it down. Now let's do a edit, copy, Control C, then Control V. Okay, so we need 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're gonna need a couple of them. That corner, this corner, that corner, this corner, okay, this layout, and this corner. Okay. So now we are gonna select, remove, and when you get the 2 circles that's connected right there. Save it. Let's view it. Okay. Let's do a okay, see, look at the, let's report it. Let's V to report the copper plane. Now you get to nice round here. And what else? Okay, now let's view here. Now let's put labels. So fill screen, go here, select the cell screen, and like that. Right there. Cell screen, thickness 7. Do something here on the settings. Cell screen, Pixel layer text. This is 7. Text like this. Make it 7. Get 10. Say okay. Alright, so now let's put here. Now we can start with okay. Move this, rotate. This here red is not a cell screen, this is a fabrication layer, see? That won't show. Okay. Oh. Let's put one more. And okay, save it. Here we're gonna say 13. Arduino. I think they put digital in 13. Oh, okay. In 13. Another one here. And okay, and That's gonna be connected to those pins on the Arduino board. And let's save it. Let's save it, and let's look at it. 3D viewer. So now we have pin 13, pin 12, pin 11, red, yellow, and green. And we can put this way. Of course, out. Move this, rotate somewhere there. Okay. There. Save it. Go. D1, D2, D3, R1, R2, R3, G3, G2, G1. This connects to pin 13, pin 12, and pin 11 in the Arduino. Okay, so let's see. Now save it. Okay, so let's do one more thing here, just to in a through hole you don't need the via, but in surface mount, so let's leave the via there. And do top. Eight and there. Will be there. Okay. Change the via size. This one. The different sizes. Okay, so save. Let's say we want to put cell screen, so you go here. We're gonna put cell screen on the bottom, cell screen layer, selected text. Let's put say like that. Sure. Eight, one. Okay. Now we got some that will go in the bottom. And also let's put let's select add footprints. Let's put a view. Oh, I made that one. That's advanced topic here. This one. So we need a cell screen. Still screen there. Okay. So now let's view it. We put it on the top. Okay. One on the top, on the bottom. So I believe you say select and say flip, rotate, move here. And save. And another thing is make sure you lock it. Okay. So because you added from here. And so now let's see how it looks like. Viewer. Top. And that's the bottom. Okay. All right. It's looking beautiful. Now we want a still screen, front screen. Okay, still screen. Perfect. Light. Light. Let's put italic. Center. Okay. So move. Okay. To show you that those two are not going to interfere. They're two different layers. Let's look at B, save it, tools, and view. There's the. So we have the silk screen here, and there. Okay, let's say you're happy. This viewer. Okay, so So let's put one more. You can make I go and let's make it italic. The height, let's make it 60. Okay. Let's make it a thickness and make it 80. Okay. Save it, view it. There you go. Looking amazing. Save that. Okay. And sorry. Cells on the top, cells on the bottom. So some pictures to post the video. Okay, and that's it. Now let's do DRC run. If something is not connected, if we have a problem, the rules, it will come up here, but we don't have everything's connected. Let's see, close, save, and now let's do a I guess at this point, what else? Let's create the gerbers. Gerbers. And a plat generate real files. This information gets from your board house. Just gonna keep the defaults for now. Close. Close. Where is it putting? I believe you have to create a folder, new folder, select that one, select folder, and generate the bomb. All right, and so this is our bomb right here. Okay, very nice. Close that, save it, and let's look at our gerbers project. So we have our bomb here, gerbers here. And now if you want to check the gerbers that we created, click here. And we check files, gerbers, row A, select all of them, open, fine. Now you get all your layers here. So let's check those first two. Okay, so let's see how it looks. Looks fine to me. There's no shorts, clean. D is for drill. This where. Okay. So now let's see the still screen. And the edge cuts. That's the front. The front still screen. Okay. Mask base bottom cell screen. That's that layer. This layer. The base, the mask. Take on the copper. put it a yellow color or something. Okay. Looking good. It looks good. Right? So that's our tutorial for today. Thank you for watching. Leave comments, share. Like I say at the beginning, there will be time codes in the description. Make sure you check there and give it a thumbs up, like and share. Thank you.
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.